Hey, it's just you. Good. Have you seen those crazy flying drones? They're popping up over more and more states across the US now. They're flying in formation, and everybody's just wondering what in the world is going on. So, if you want to get a better look at those drones when they fly over your house, might I suggest some of the amazing binoculars that we have here? Right here, this is an amazing deal. The Skymaster 9 by 60 millimeter Poro. These things on sale now, $30 off. They're just $69.99. They let in a ton of light, so you get a great view, even if you're in areas where there's a lot of light pollution, like maybe in your backyard. Oh, and they have a smartphone adapter and Bluetooth, so you can capture some really cool pictures to share with everybody. Now, these right here, the Nikon Monarch M5, these are great for nighttime and daytime viewing. So when these drones start flying over 24/7, you'll be able to use these to see them in the daytime. And the technology in these binoculars allow you for easy tracking to follow along the flight path. These are just $289 right here at GigaParts Technology Superstore. And if you want to take some pictures, of course, we have a full lineup of cameras in our photography department as well. Capture the best shot you can of all these drones that are up in the sky. Who knows, you might even be on the news.